Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Infopedia series of lectures on database and SQL. Today I will give you brief introduction of data and databases, and I will tell you everything you need to know how to interact with the database. First of all, we will discuss what is data. Data could be the fact related to any object under consideration. For example, data about a person could be the name, age, his weight, his height, his education, he is a student or he is a graduate or he is a master degree holder, and his profession, maybe he is a doctor, engineer, a policeman, a teacher, his address. Apart from this, information may be in the form of text documents, for example, his salary slip, his driving license, his degrees, etc., images, audio clips, software programs, or other types of the data. In computer sciences, data can be defined as a representation of fact, concepts, or instructions in a formalized manner which should be suitable for communication, interpretation, or processing by human or electronic machine. What is database? Database is designed to handle transaction. It is not designed to handle the analytics. For analysis purposes, we have another application which is called data warehouse. Database is not structured to do analytics. In simple words, we can say that database is a systematic collection of data. They support electronic storage and manipulation of data. Database make data management easy. Misconception between the DB and DBMS. One of the biggest misconceptions circulating among the students is database and DBMS are the same thing. Even some tech guys also have the same misconception in their minds in the early time of their career. DBMS, database management system, is a system, or you can say is a collection of programs that enable its users to access databases, manipulate data. DBMS is used for report generation and representation of the data. So here we can conclude that database contains data in a well structured format, while DBMS is a kind of software that helps you to retrieve, edit, and store structured data in the database. Types of database. There are mainly two types of the databases. First one is relational database and second one is non-relational database. Some other common types of databases are given below. First one is hierarchical databases, number 2 network databases, number 3 object oriented databases, and fourth one is NoSQL databases. In next video we will discuss how we can store or manipulate data in a database using structured query language. SQL is a language which can be used to interact with any sort of database, whether it is Oracle based databases, or it is MS SQL database, or it's IBM's DB2 database, or it's MongoDB database. Whatever the form of database you are dealing with, you need SQL to store, to manipulate, and to update the data. In next video we will discuss SQL in detail. If you have any question about data, databases, or DBMS, you can leave the comment in below, or you can drop me an email on my given email in description. Thank you so much.